This is the Pelikan M1000 Raden Green Ray fountain pen. The pen comes in a gold-colored cardboard box. Included with the pen is a certificate of authenticity with information about the pen. There's also another little pamphlet included with information about the M1000 Raden Green Ray. The pen comes in a bamboo box with some Japanese characters on the top, assuming that's assigned by the artist as well. And inside is the Pelikan M1000 Raden Green Ray fountain pen. The pen has been made by Urushi artists in Japan. It's a German pen, but made by artists in Japan. So kind of a joint venture there. You can see the glistening of the seashells that are inlaid in the barrel and cap of the pen. They just glisten in the light. Gold-colored trim on the pen. It's the Sovereign design, so it has the pelican bill-shaped clip, the Pelikan logo on the top of the cap, which is in the gold color. There's also an engraving, or in the ring on the bottom of the cap that's engraved with Pelikan made in Germany, or Pelikan Sovereign Germany. Then on the bottom of the barrel, it's actually signed by the artist, and there's Japanese characters there. Two rings at the bottom of the barrel that separate this cap. This is actually a knob that will actuate the piston on the pen. It is a piston style fountain pen. The cap is threaded and unscrews. It will post on the pen. The pen comes with a matching black resin section with the knob on the end of the barrel of the pen, and a two-tone 18-karat gold nib, nice oversized nib with a black feed. There is an ink viewing window here. It might be hard to see on the camera, but it's a dark color, but you can see inside. So you can see just that little section right there. You can see the ink levels inside the pen when you have it filled. It doesn't necessarily need to be posted. It's a nice oversize with that M1000 size. Just a beautiful handmade piece with those Raden inlaid seashells. Get your Pelikan M1000 Raden Green Ray fountain pen at penchalet.com.